Welcome to Embedded World Show in Nuremberg. I'm now at the booth of PCBWay, and we will talking about PCBs, of course. First of all, please, Simon, introduce yourself and your company to our audience.
Thank you for having me, Jochen, and really nice meeting you here. And as people know, that PCBWay is a Chinese-based PCB manufacturer and assembler. Our core business is to do the PCB fabrication and assembly, and we also do the 3D printing and CNC machining, injection molding service. So we really offer the full range of manufacturing services to our customers worldwide. Yeah.
And why would I buy from you rather than from anybody else? What makes you outstanding in terms of technology and services and that?
That's really a good question. You know, nowadays there are really a lot of PCB manufacturers similar as PCBWay, but our company value is main about the customer service and the quality. We always put the quality and the customer service to our top priority, and that makes our customers realize that we are a reliable PCB suppliers. And we also have a strict quality control to make every process the qualified product. And we also have many different kind of testing machines to ensure that every product has been qualified before shipping. And in another way, we offer the very good customer support. And if a customer has faced any issues about their design, their ordering process, or their product, we are always here to help. So people can reach us at any time. We offer the 24/7 services, and we also have our own French office to offer the best local support to our European customers. Yeah.
Okay. And what have you got on show here at the booth at Embedded World?
Yes, since we offer really a variety of different kind of manufacturing services, we just bring a lot of different kind of products. For example, the PCB boards with different kind of layers, different kind of materials, and also different kind of solder mask or something like that. As people know that we offer the most customization options for the PCB manufacturing. So we can't bring all of the products as a show, but we try our best to show the most advanced PCB technology here to share with our customers and new customers, something like that. And also we bring some our PCB assembly boards to show our capabilities for the assembly, SMT technology. And also we bring some CNC machine parts, 3D printed parts, also some parts with different kind of manufacturing process like injection molding and etc. Yeah.
Yeah, let's talk a little bit about the future. What are your future plans?
Yes, we do have a lot of future plans in the near 1 or 2 years. We want to provide faster and more localized customer support to our Europe customers. So we are investing new PCB assembly factories in Europe. We are planning to do that to reduce the lead times and lower the shipping cost and provide a better local support to our customers in Europe. And another thing we want to share is that we plan to make our manufacturing process more sustainable. You know, we want to build a environmentally friendly manufacturing process to our customers to make a better future, a green future. So we are always dedicated to provide high quality PCBs in a faster, accessible, and sustainable way to our customers.
Thank you very much, Simon. Have a good show.
Thank you very much for having me. Thank you.